Hi guys, welcome to Berylawesfashion channel. On this channel we teach you pattern drafting so that you can make clothes that fit. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that as soon as I upload videos you can be notified. In today's class, we'll be learning how to make an A-line skirt. Yes, A-line skirt is very stylish and simple to make. So we'll be using our basic skirt pattern to make it. And in case you do not know how to make it, I'm going to put in the description, the link in the description box for you so that you can practice how to make yours. Very simple. So I've already traced it out on another paper. So this is my front and here is my back. So I'm going to cut it out now and show you how we can convert this to adapt this pattern to an A-line skirt. So I've cut it out. The next thing we are going to do now is to move from the hemline, connect this line, the dark line, to the hemline. For it to be accurate, measure what you have here and take it down. Then you can now connect. We are going to slash the line. We are going to slash this line and close the dots here. We have closed the dots. Let's secure it with our masking tape. So you can see that it's no longer a straight skirt as it used to be. We have added fullness to this side. Let's take note of that. This is our center front, CF. We do the same to the back. Measure what you have here and come to the hemline. Going to slash it and close that. I'm going to secure it as well. Let me put paper under it so that you know how it should look like. You want to cut it on fabric. Do you see what we have added? This is about 5.25 inches that we have added to it. take your curve roller and just blend it down. Our A-line skirt is getting ready. So this is the back. We are going to cut 2 of this. By the time you want to cut it, you ensure that this center back, you place it this way, the center back on the edge of your fabric. This is how you do it. At the edge of your fabric, this way. And don't forget to add your zipper allowance here. Then you add the hem allowance, what you use to fold it down. Then the joining allowance here. And if you are going to put band, you also have cut out your band out from the basic skirt. So you cut 2 pieces. Let me write it. 2 pieces. Cut 2 pieces. Then this one, which is the front, you do the same that I've done here. You can do that actually on your fabric. And since I'm not cutting it on fabric, I'm just demonstrating how it will look like for you. Do the same here. Here's the paper on that. Secure it with masking tape. Blend it down as well. This one we are going to cut it on fold. This one. Like this. So it's going to be on fold since it's the front. You do it this way, you cut it on fold. So the only place you need to add hem allowance here, then at the side as well. You can see how simple it is to adapt your basic skirt pattern to an A-line skirt. So that is why it's good for you to master the five pattern sets. The front skirt pattern, the back pattern, skirt pattern, your bodies, front and back, and your sleeve. They are very, very important. I hope you have benefited from today's tutorial. Let me know how you feel about this tutorial in the comment section. Thank you.